Hi guys, my name is Assym. Now I'm going to present my presentation. My research topic is using films in EFL. Introduction to films in EFL. English fiction through textbooks or in from any course is different from the English spoken by people on the street. In contrast, the English used in films were natural. It's also very close to the language you can hear when talking to native speakers. So, a number of studies have revealed that films can be integral part of the curriculum. And films provide realistic view of the language and culture, providing insights into reality life of native speakers. For instance, film can capture the students' attention towards target language, and some researchers mentioned that films are effective and useful tools in the classrooms. The purpose of this study. The purpose of the study is to investigate the improvement of English films on English language skills, to examine the impact of English films in English as a foreign language. And I chose this topic because I have interest on films, and I thought films can really useful and effective, and I researched this topic. Research aims investigate the importance of films in EFL classroom, analyze the ease of teaching English through films. Significance of the study is about teaching English easily through films. We know some of its actors, for example, Arnold, also known as Terminator, and basketball player as Hunter. They are learned English language through films and cartoons. So films are fun and motivating for students. Students got a realistic type and adaptability to films in English as a foreign language classroom. Students learn to learn English from native speakers when learning with film. Students learn their English words and eating from films. On the good side, they learn this from interesting and emotional stories. One of the fun and effective ways to improve English is films. Research participants. Participants of the study were 7 upper intermediate level students studying at Sweden University and 4 English teachers working at Galaxy International School. The students aged between 19 and 23 years old. Research methods. The researcher in the current study accepts a mixed method approach in order to answer the mentioned research questions, which is an approach to research in which the researcher includes the qualitative and quantitative data. Research instruments. The study used a survey questionnaire to find out to what degree the students thought watching films could help them improve their language skills. The researcher also managed a semi-structured interview with a set of open-ended questions that revealed both the students' and the teachers' comprehension against a combination of films in their classroom to improve their language skills. Literature review. A literature review of watching films in English as a foreign language and English as a second language class makes films very effective for many purposes in the language class. So, researcher mentioned that films are really effective and useful because films are providing and improving speaking and listening skills and improving vocabulary and pronunciation acquisition and providing motivation and critical thinking skill. And that's all. Advantages of using English films. Learning from films is motivating and enjoyable. Film provides authentic and varied language. Film gives a visual context, improves listening and speaking skills, develops vocabulary and pronunciation acquisitions. Disadvantages of using films. It can take so many times if you use the whole of the film. They are longer than 1 hour. So you can use short film or clips of films. Unsuitability scenes. Yeah, we can see in every Hollywood films or other films. If your students are not university students, it can be not good for them. And bad habits and bad words. You should choose the films very carefully. Research stays. Research articles, dissertations. Choose topic. Research again about your topic. Find participants. Make experiment, survey, interview, and conclusion. Research questions. First, do films make learning English language easier? Second, what are the importance of films in EFL? And experiment part. Experiment part took 2 weeks, and first they were requested to watch 2 or 3 films every week, and we the researcher tried to improve their language and skills. First, because they were requested to watch films carefully and try to learn new and try to improve their language acquisition or skill. They learned new words and improved their vocabulary acquisition. They improved their listening skill by watching and hearing the words they watched and paused again if they didn't understand the words. And second week, they were requested to watch films carefully and try to learn new and try to improve their language acquisition and skill. And they improved their pronunciation acquisition. They imitated actors and tried to say that words correctly, and they hear and learn that accents. And they improved their speaking skill by watching and imitating actors. They find how words are spoken and written. They found the correct pronunciation of words. The results of survey, you can see there are 8 questions, and most of the important questions are: do you think watching films makes it easy for you to learn English? And more than half of the students strongly agreed. And do you think watching films in English has a helpful effect on improving English language skills? And 44% of the students strongly agreed. And do you agree that watching films motivates you to learn English? And 67% of the students accepted. Results of interview. All of them accept that English films are useful for improving language skills, and students accept that English films are motivating for improving English language skills. Also makes the language learning process more entertaining and enjoyable. Students strongly agree that films are helpful for pronunciation and vocabulary. The students also mentioned that films decrease their language anxiety and increase their confidence in speaking English language. The interviews showed that films were motivating for EFL students. Students in the study were more interested in using film in their English classes and were more willing to interact with English. The researcher interviewed with 4 different nationality teachers. An analysis of interviews with teachers has shown that film use is a useful tool for improving students' language skills. Teachers accept that films are not a waste of time in the classroom. Teachers believe that films help them improve their English language skills such as listening, speaking, and vocabulary and pronunciation. In conclusion, the study shows that the use of films in English language has a foreign language class increases the students' motivation for English language learning, and teachers in the current research states that films increase the participation and involvement of students in the classroom. Students also mentioned that films will help them acquire vocabulary and provide a lot of information about various words, idioms, and speech expressions. And also, films they can easily learn English language. So films has effective effect value on language skills. They can improve their listening and speaking skills, and they can improve their pronunciation and vocabulary acquisitions. Further research implications. Next time, the researcher will also focus on pedagogical part of the students. In that current study, the researcher didn't focus on that pedagogical part. It's also important. And researcher will also focus on subtitles and without subtitle films. We didn't include any subtitle or without subtitle part. Next study, maybe we will focus on that thing. And last one, culture. Language and culture are not separated, and next time we will also focus on the culture. That's all. Thank you for your attention.